Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I have a collection of Charm gels to share with you. These were released January 1st. I find Canada Post Mail is very slow right now, and I didn't receive them till just very recently. So I really want to share them. I'm going to swatch them. It's a beautiful collection, and I also will be doing a client's nails with these Charm gels. So if you're wanting to see that, make sure you stick around after I do the swatching. And this collection is called the Love Story Cat Eye Collection. Daily Charm came out with this for January 1st because obviously by the name, it is a Valentine's cat's eye collection, and wait till you see them. There's 6 polishes, cat's eye polishes in this one, and most of them are pink, but there is one red one, and they are the perfect collection for Valentine's Day. So these Charm gels, you can purchase the whole collection, which you may want to. This one, they're also beautiful. You'll see that when I swatch them, or you can purchase them separately. I think maybe if you buy them all together, you might get a little bit more off that way, but sometimes you just like one or two or whatever. You can do what you want. And I do have a 10% off code, which you can use for this collection or for single ones or for any order in the future, whatever, but it's up on the screen. So feel free to use that. I'll have that down in the description with these cat's eye polishes as well, the links to them. So let's take a look. So as you can see from in the box, a beautiful collection. You can tell by the tops, they kind of show somewhat what the colors are going to be like. So let's get started. So the first one is C53, and this one is called Clueless Crush. Bring it up nice and close, and then we'll swatch. Oh, how pretty is that? It's kind of a pink, but has almost like a purple undertone slightly and a beautiful shimmer in it. So I'll do the one coat and we'll cure it, and then we'll use a magnet on these on the second coat. Of course, each coat is curing for just 30 seconds is good. So there's the first coat. Look at that. Okay, now I will grab a magnet. It really gets a lot lighter when you use a magnet. Of course, you can change that. See there, it's very, very pretty anyways. So you can have it lighter. You could use, I'll just show you. Of course, you can use a magnet to do a heart. Look at that, isn't it pretty? So the next one is C54 Love Actually. I like the names. Oh, pretty. It's almost like a salmon color of cat's eye polish. A little like pink, but salmony. Just really nice. Let's watch this one. Again, I'll do one coat, cure it, and then do that second coat. This one I'd say is more fine than the other one. It covers nicer with the first coat. If you like salmon color, it is really pretty. So this one I'll just do a little different. Really nice again. So this one is called C55 Legally Blush. Looks like a really nice pink. Oh yeah, that's really pretty, right? That's a really nice color. I like this one. Okay, let's swatch. Oh, that cover is so nice. It's very, very fine, the glitter in it. Almost has shimmer of pink lighter glitter in it. I don't know if the camera is going to pick that up. It is really nice. I do like this one a lot. So I'm just going to cure it and then we'll do the magnet again. Okay, let's try the magnet. Oh, that's really nice when the magnet goes on there. It just really brings out that pink I was talking about. That's just really pretty. But you can see that. This one is C56 Pretty in pink. Oh, that's really nice. It looks like it almost has holographic glitter in it. On top of being a cat's eye. Very, very, very beautiful. Oh, look at that. There's one coat. How nice, right? You can see the hollow glitter in it. Okay, let's grab that magnet and try this one. Oh wow, look at how pretty that one is. You can see that. Let me know in the comments of this video which one's your favorite. These are really, really nice. Like I'm really impressed with this collection. So this one is called C57 Crazy Rich Red. Let's take a look. And there's a little leaking, but that was my fault. I looked at them and I had it tipped sideways. Oh, wow. How nice is this one? Oh, I want to swatch this one and see what we get. It's so pretty. It's like red, but it has almost like pink shimmer in it. Such a pretty red. So there's one coat. How nice is that one? I am not really a red person, but I would so wear this one. So I am just going to use the heart magnet again on this one. Look at how nice that is. It almost turns like a pink. The cat's eye. Wow, this is like the perfect color for Valentine's Day. And look at that heart. So, so nice. So the next polish is C58 Across the Universe. Now this one you can tell should have a black base just by how they have it on here. So I'm just gonna grab some perfect black from Daily Charm and do a swatch and then we'll do this one. Oh, I see why they named it that. Look at that. That's really nice. It's got like a purple kind of base to it, but it has all the different colors. Definitely looks like the out in outer space kind of look. It's just really nice. Let's see what it looks like when it's swatched. So I have my black ready to go. So there it is on the black. Like you could have it as a glitter like that. It's really, really beautiful. And now I'm gonna do some magnet on it. And you only need the one coat because you have the black below. It's so pretty. And I'm just gonna change it a little to show you it. So nice, right? I really like this one. Wow, Daily Charm, you've done it again. These are simply stunning. I love all of them. Let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite. I don't know, it's hard to pick. They're beautiful. And I'm going to be using either all of them or one of them on my clients. So if you're interested in seeing what we do on our nails, then just keep watching. This client was in for a 3-week fill, so I'm not showing where I did the removal of the color, checked for lifting, prepped the nails, did the cuticles, all that, and then added the builders. So I'm using Pretty in Pink from this collection. Did one coat. Now I'm showing you the second coat, and then I'm going to grab a magnet. This is definitely one of my favorite polishes from the collection, and the other one I'd say would be the Crazy Rich Red. It is just stunning. Now I'm just grabbing my detail brush. I just want to get up nice and close with the polish up to the cuticles. So I decided to kind of put a line through it to really pop the cat's eye in the middle of her nail so you see it. And it is so pretty once it's done. So the next nail, I decided I was going to do an ombre. So this is a different polish from Daily Charm. It's called Raspberry Jam. It really is a very similar color to the actual cat's eye that I'm using. It's just not glittery. So I'm applying the Raspberry Jam just to half of the nail. And as you can see, I'm using a detail brush just to get it up nice and close along her cuticles. Once I'm done doing that, I don't cure it. And then I'm going to grab the Pretty in Pink from this collection that I used on the pinky. And I'm just going to get it up to that color. And then I'm going to push it up into the Raspberry Jam just to ombre it. The reason I did this on this nail, my plans were at the beginning, I was going to stamp this nail with a lace pattern over top of the ombre, and I did do that. I don't show it in the video, but after I stamped it with the lace pattern, I didn't like it. Sometimes that happens. You have an idea and it doesn't look the way you want, so you move on to something else, which I did, and you'll see that later when I do the art. But I'm doing the second coat of the Pretty in Pink on the ombre, and then I'm going to grab a magnet and of course make it look really pretty. It really pops the color, the pink in there when I do that. And now moving on, the last nail I'll be doing Pretty in Pink is the thumb. So I will do 2 coats on this one, and then I'll again grab the magnet and kind of pull the cat's eye polish through the middle of her nail like I did the pinky. On the next 2 nails, I had suggested a lighter color of the shade of the Pretty in Pink, but she wanted a darker one. It's pretty close, the Raspberry Jam, to the Pretty in Pink. And the reason is because we are doing some really light art on these, so she really wanted it to pop. And I think it's just really a nice combination. A lot of times I would pick a lighter color, but sometimes picking the darker color is really nice too, so that's what we did. So I did 2 coats of the Raspberry Jam. It has such great opaque coverage, as you can see, with just 1 coat. So just doing the next one, and then we're going to be moving on to the art that we chose. So just finishing up the last one, and then a little trick with the stickers is use Daily Charms transfer foil gel and cure it for 30 seconds and then apply those stickers. And the reason is when you apply the stickers then and you cover them up, you're not going to see the edges of the stickers. It really helps to hide that when you push them down. And I did wipe the transfer foil gel with isopropyl alcohol. I found that worked better, and then applied the stickers and they stuck down really nice then. And we're using some stickers from Daily Charm. These are Cupid stickers. They're so nice. They're 3D and they're beautiful. And I'll have the link for the transfer foil gel, also the stickers that I use in this video down below if you're wanting to purchase them, of course, with my 10% off code. So I applied the Cupid and then applied some little roses beside it. You can't see it from the view you're seeing right now. And now applying this sticker, which I'm not sure what you would call it, but it complements the Cupids. It's from the same sticker sheet. And this is actually from Daily Charm as well. Totally different sticker sheet. These are so pretty. They have little pearls in the middle of the hearts. And applying it over the ombre, since I didn't do the stamping that I wanted to do, I wanted something to kind of cover the ombre and be in the middle. So this was perfect and it goes so well with the other stickers. So I'm done the art on these. So now I'm taking a thicker top coat and covering them up. You could take Daily Charms 5-in-1 strengthening gel to do this, and then it's going to cover up those stickers because they are thicker nicely, and then apply Daily Charms Diamond Shine top coat, and then the nails would be covered up nicely. The stickers would stay great for 3 weeks, but I'm just choosing to use my professional top coat, my thicker top coat to do this. It skips a step. But if you don't have a professional top coat that is thicker, then definitely use the Daily Charm products. They work great for covering these up. And I think this is the last nail I show you, and then I'll show you the finished nails. So here are the nails done, and I love how they turned out. The perfect Valentine's nails. The 3D stickers are stunning. Hopefully the camera does them justice. And the cat's eye polish, pretty in pink, is beautiful. I love all the cat's eye polishes. I want to thank Daily Charm for sending me all of the collection to share with you. If you like this video, could you give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see everybody in the next one.